Hi, boys and girls. In today's story from our Beginner's Bible, Timeless Children's Stories, illustrated by Kelly Pulley, we meet up with three of Daniel's friends. They have interesting names: Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. And they're going to meet up with King Nebuchadnezzar. Name of the story, The Fiery Furnace. King Nebuchadnezzar's army had defeated the Israelites. Now he was their ruler. King Nebuchadnezzar built a golden statue. Then he made a bad law. It said, "When the music plays, everyone must bow down and worship the statue. Those who disobey will be thrown into the fiery furnace." The music began to play. The people fell down and worshiped the statue. But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused. "We only worship God," they said. The king was mad. The king said, "Make the furnace extra hot." He had the three men thrown inside. Yet when the king looked into the furnace, there were four men walking around. One of them looked like an angel from God. The king shouted to the men, "Come out! Your God has saved you." The fire had not hurt them. They didn't even smell like smoke. So the king made them rulers in his kingdom. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were saved by God. Let's finish with a prayer. Dear God, we thank you for this exciting story. Thank you for being there with these men and saving them from the evil king. Amen.